A very good afternoon, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. There is a lot which is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and we have seen various scenes in the city of Harare where people are protesting, and the majority of the people who are protesting are at Rotten Row Court in Harare. That is where they are, and they are actually resisting to leave the city center. We have seen so many attempts by the police to move people out, but it seems as if they are refusing to do so. They are determined to continue fighting up until probably they get some results. But the numbers are too low. Let us take a look into some of the videos which are circulating so far.
South Africans. Shit.
So this is what is happening at this point in time, and there are expectations that the situation is likely going to get more tense as the time goes on. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but as of now in Harare, we have not seen the deployment of the military to deal with the protesters as of yet. What we have seen is that the police, which is using tear gas. So for now, that is what is happening right there, with the hope that the resistance will continue. That is what a lot of people are hoping. And let us take a look.
Hey, okay, my police. Hey, look,
So if you look at the numbers, these are people are not much, and this is what is happening at this point in time, and we will continue to update you, and I will continue to cover and look at what is happening right there in the nation of Zimbabwe, particularly in Harare. So just a few people turned up for the protest. The majority of the people, they made a decision to stay at home, and izvozvozvo zvine zvazviri kutaura, and it's time probably for Comrade Geza to call some comrades, sit down, have a fruitful discussion, which is going to actually bring something better onto the table, and that probably will make people get into the streets. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is what we have. We will see as the day progresses what is going to happen. It's not over until it's over. We do not know what the rest of the day carries, what tomorrow carries, but we continue to cover and report what is happening.